Hey, this is Rick and welcome back to my channel, SHB3075, that's Dreams 58 backwards. This is going to be a quick review. I've already taken it out of the box. People really don't want to go through the unboxing anymore and what's on the box. You can always look online and check that out. This is on the Philips wireless headphones. It's going to be the model SHB3075-27. This is the extra base model, and you can tell that by the plus marks on the side here. They have swivel earpieces, nice and soft cushion, and they're adjustable for larger or smaller heads. It has a right on this side and a left on this side right here. That's embossed in there and indented so you can see it. It's got external functions. There's a little rocker right there, and it has a plus and a minus. That's your volume control. There's a single button in the middle there that switches between playlists or movies if you want to toggle through. That's your micro USB port in the center. There's a Bluetooth emblem right here. This is how you do your pairing on your device, whether it be on your computer, your TV, or your cell phone, whatever is Bluetooth compatible. And there's an on and off button right there. And when you press that in and hold it, it will light up. It does swivel a little bit for comfort on the side of your head. And it just comes with your USB charging cable. You're going to want to go ahead and give this a good 8-hour charge before you go ahead and use it. Pretty simple, like any other devices. Line it up with the port and slide it in and plug it into your USB port that you're going to charge with, whether it be your computer, or you can put a 110 electric adapter and charge from your wall socket. Once it's charged up, you're going to go ahead and power it on like this. Hold it in. And you'll see the blue light starting to flash right there. That's telling you it's on. See it flashing right here? Now, to pair the device, you're going to want to open up whatever device you want to pair to. Like I said, your TV. I'll use a smartphone here just to show you real quick. You'll turn on your Bluetooth, like so. And then you will take your pairing button here on the headphones, and you'll hold it in right here. Just keep depressing it. And you see that the LED changed here. It has a search button that's now flashing. So you go back to your device and you're going to hit search. Now it came up as Bass Plus on ear. You're going to click that. And that's how you pair the device. It recognized it. It's now stored in my external device here. It says it's connected to call and for media audio. So you can close out of your device, you're good to go. So now these are now paired to that particular device. You can pair this to multiple devices if you want to. Like I said, your TV. I have trouble with my hearing, and this will be good at night to go ahead and put this on so I don't have my TV real loud while I'm watching a movie or something. And the little hole right here, this is your mic, so you can speak into it. So you could speak into videos, or you can receive a call. When a call comes in, you click that round button and it'll click over. I've already tested these. The volume control is pretty good. You wouldn't be able to hear it with a within the video, so you have to take my word for it. But for $30, $35 shipped to your door, I don't think you can go wrong with these. I do recommend them. You check them out. Let me know what you think. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. I appreciate it. Give me some feedback. Share with your friends. There's a subscribe button down there. Click that, and also click the bell icon on the YouTube video. And I'll also share some links to this under the description page on the YouTube video. Go ahead and click on them, and it'll take you to various sites that you can choose if you want to go ahead and purchase these. So thanks a lot for... This is my buddy King. King likes to help me with reviews sometimes too. Thanks, buddy. All right, thank you, everybody. Take care.